After 4 weeks of graphic and emotional testimony, a Tarrant County jury sent a confessed child killer to death row. Jurors deliberated less than 3 hours before reaching that verdict in Tanner Horner's punishment trial.
Horner pleaded guilty to capital murder for killing 7-year-old Athena Strand in 2022, so jurors were deciding only if he would die for his crime. Fox 4's Dionne Anglin has been covering this trial since the very beginning. Dionne?
Yeah, the decision is death for Tanner Horner, capital punishment for the capital murder of 7-year-old Athena Strand of Wise County.
Tanner Lynn Horner has been adjudged to be guilty of the offense of capital murder as found by the jury. Jury having answered the special issues, making it mandatory that your punishment be death.
The jury took less than 3 hours to reach that decision. The 34-year-old former FedEx delivery driver showed no emotion as he stood listening to the sentence being read aloud. A different story in the gallery. You could hear quiet sobbing from the section of Athena's family. Her mother, father, younger sister, other relatives and supporters shed tears when they heard the decision. There were two special questions the jury faced. First, do you consider Tanner Horner a continuing threat to society? That answer, yes. Then are there mitigating circumstances that should exclude Horner from receiving the death penalty? That answer, no. For the Wise County prosecutor, James Stanton, this was his first death penalty case to try. He describes the experience and the outcome as being very difficult.
You want to be excited, but obviously that has to do with the death of another human being. And so you're metered in that respect, is that I am satisfied that that is justice. I've believed that that's justice since the beginning. But it's also, like I said, tempered with the fact that, you know, he will die at some point in the future. And so, you know, it's nobody wants to be happy about that, so to speak.
Now, following the verdict, Judge Gallagher gave the opportunity for allocution or impact statements from the victim's family. Athena's uncle, Elijah Strand, spoke directly to Horner.
Tanner Horner, I want you to hear this directly. You did not just take a life, you destroyed a family. You took a little girl who trusted the world and repaid that innocence with violence. You chose to cause pain that will last generations. You say you found God, but what you did to Athena stands in direct opposition to everything that you now claim to believe. But I want you to know that you are nothing. You are a footnote in Athena's story. Her name will forget you. You wanted your 15 minutes of fame.
Will be an automatic appeals process by law, as with all death penalty cases. Now, it was unclear if there were any family members in court of Tanner Horner's. As well, his attorneys did not make themselves available for an interview after the verdict.